my boys, today is day 11 of crypto trading, and I want to further elaborate on day, I believe it was 8 and 10. We mixed both of those days up because day 8 got taken down for some reason. I didn't smoke or cuss in it, so I still don't understand. I didn't get a strike for it, it just got taken down. I don't understand. I was talking about in that video about my risk and reward, and how in video 10 I was talking about how I wanted to clean up my portfolio. I've been dirty trading, which I just allocate most of my money, which I can risk, but I should I should be risking it a lot smarter. Um, I want to elaborate on that. Is my strategy now for trading will be, if I have $100 to trade with, $100 risk free, like it's not dependent on anything. I will not be using it throughout the week. It would be nice to have $100 more, but my regular budget is still intact. Only 5%, so $5, will be traded at a time to make $3 to $5. $3 to $5. That would be 100% return. No, we're trying to do a $2 to $3. So that is a 60% return. If we can do that, if we can do, we can make like 70, almost another $100 off just small trades like that. I feel like we'll be confident enough to put more money. As of right now, just $3 to $5 is our risk. That's it. Again, we're not here for maximize profits. We're here for knowledge. I don't care if this is the best time to trade or something because the bull run's about to go off right now, or alt season about to start. But the thing is that we need, alt season isn't gonna be forever. So I'm trying to get into my head that we need to learn in patience, patience, psychology, risk, and reward. Those are the four big things I really want to touch on. Strategy will come as the fifth, but we first need to really focus on the big four, my boys. So, um, other than that, if I pick up another trade, because I remember back then we made a couple of dollars off Ethereum when I thought it was gonna go on. I bought it when it was only at 3.5, and it went all the way to, I believe it was 4.2. I almost made 100% return off of that. It was a great thing, but that was a little bit of beginner's luck, if you know what I'm talking about. As of right now, I will be saving in crypto. I've always saved in crypto, but we'll be more lenient and more considerate with it. When I would save with crypto, my savings was either, oh, I'm so sorry, you guys, for XLM, XRP, or SPA. Those three coins were my long-term holdings. As of right now, we're starting to turn the market a little bit and see what we can do differently. But I want to tell you guys my new strategy, just in case you guys want to start trading, or you guys want to start investing, or even saving money in crypto. It's always a good time. One thing is, if you are going to invest around $20 or less, $20, go into either one or two. You're not gonna make money going in into separate three. I know I'm gonna be talking about going in separately and breaking your money down, but if you're breaking down $20 into three, what is that? It's like $7 per thing. You're not gonna make very much money, because not very much things will move where you can get $1 to monthly off each three. No, it's most likely going to be 50 cents. You lost $1 in this. You lost $1 in this. Next week it's going to be $2 in one, $1 in one, and you're still down in another one. Next week it might be a pretty stagnant 1 and then the other one you actually lost another $2. That's what it's going to look like. So what we're trying to do is minimize that and maximize. We're trying to minimize our reliance, or how can I say it? I don't want to go into one or have to focus on one and be like, well, everything's down, but I know this is gonna go up. I don't want that mentality, because that gives you it gives you the green light to lose money. You're like, well, that's fine, because in the future this is gonna go up. That's not good. That's not good. That's how people start losing money, and within a year you're like, well, fuck, trading's not for me. Like, this isn't working. I've put so much money into these couple projects and they've just been going down. It's probably because you're not really researching and doing proper background checks on these companies. So please do your best. um I don't know why yawning so much. But in my case, so okay, but yeah, going back, if you're gonna be investing around 10 to $20, I would really go with just two companies. Put $10 into BTC, put $10 into Ethereum, and let that sit. That should be good enough for you. Let that start off. You'll probably go up $1 or $2. It would be nice. You'll be looking good. The next week you go with another $20. Just go separately into something else. Go look into the risk asset. So look into something like into XRP. You could look at something like BNB. Just things like that. Every week you want to look at something nice, and if you can't find something nice, guess what? Just go back into what you were originally at. If you can't find anything nice the next week and you have a little bit of money left over, this another $20, go back to BTC and back to Ethereum. It's never gonna hurt you to go back into those. I wouldn't buy BTC right now because I feel like we are low key topping. Not topping right now, but we will be seeing the top soon. So I guess you'll want to catch that last wave if you can, but I wouldn't. I wouldn't risk it. Um, when it comes to me, I am investing every monthly around $100 to $200. So what I will be doing now is, instead of going 100 into something and the next week going 100 into something else, I will be doing 30, 30, 30, 10. If I go 200, I'll go 60, 60, 60, 20. It's just the same proposition. Um, I feel like that will give you a really good momentum, especially $30 into something. I feel like you're holding a pretty good amount, especially if it's something like small, like Cardano, XRP, what's another, XCN, XLM, things like that. Humans AI. If you're holding these coins, $30 is really good for these coins. So hold a decent amount, and throughout the week, just start allocating more. If you can't, if you can't find a company you support or you would like to support, go back to your original four and put the money again like that. Slowly move your account. So don't be putting the same. Don't do it 3 times in a row. So don't put $300 into the same four projects. Put $300 into, try to separate into almost 10 projects. 10 projects with $300 is really good, especially if you've done really good like research. If an example, if you're in like on things like BNB, BCC, Ethereum, Sol, XRP, Cardano. If you're in on something new like a small coin like Toshi, would be really good. That's already 7 off the top of my head, which I would back up. I would back up these companies. These companies in the long term are gonna do really well. So, um, I really wanted to just point that out. I think for this is day 11. My bad. For day 11, showing you guys how I will be allocating my money when it comes to savings. I'll be using a 30, 30, 30, 10 mindset. But when it comes to taking a day trade or a swing trade or even an option, not an option. I don't think I will be going into options right now, especially because it is a little scary, a little freaky. Um, I will be only taking up, as of right now, our balance for this project, this daily project, is sitting at $100. $100, which isn't attached to anything. I will only be risking 5% of that $100 bill. That will be going into. I will try to 50 different types of trades. If I can make up to $100 or more in those 50 trades, I will be up in the balance, and hopefully by then it will be like day 20, day 30. That would be really good. Like that, we can start doing a little bit bigger trades, We can start upping up the budget type shit. Hopefully by then crypto has done its run, so we will have a lot more leverage to move with. I don't know why I'm yawning so much. It's probably because I was about to fall asleep when I got up and I was like, no, I need to film a video. It's about to be one really soon, so let's at least get this down. I'm really happy. I'm probably gonna go relax, probably eat some food. I've been watching nothing but crypto videos all morning, so probably gonna try to take my mind off of that. I'm really happy with me recording this video. I have 2 videos coming out on the other channel soon, so please be in tune for that. Other than that, I really hope you guys are having a great day, and please be nice to everyone around you. We don't need no more hating around this fucking world. It's a fuck ass planet, but who knows? We might be living around a good ass time. Look at this fucking pet bull, and you're telling me we're not living in a good fucking time? She has her own fucking pillow. She's sleeping in the middle of my bed, like that. And you're telling me we're not living in the best time of human history. Again, give it a couple months, might not be. It feels like that. I understand that. But I really hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Please try to get a couple things done. And hopefully you guys stick up for day 12 of day trading. Have a wonderful day. Let me line this up real quick so you guys don't see them. And have a good day. Like and subscribe. And please be a part of this journey. Peace out.